Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to have you all here for another fun and informative video. Today, we're going to dive into some awesome hidden settings on your Samsung devices that you might not have discovered yet. I'm telling you, these little gems are going to make your daily life so much smoother and more enjoyable. So, I really think you'll pick up something new and useful from this video. Seriously, make sure to stick around until the very end. And hey, let's aim for at least 300 likes on this one. Your support means the world to me. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about photo editing in the Gallery app. Now, when you want to jazz up your pics, you simply tap that edit icon, right? It opens up a whole world of editing tools, including some super cool AI features that make your edits easier and more fun. But here's a little secret. There are actually some hidden tricks you can access that aren't immediately obvious. For instance, if you've got a black and white photo and you want to add some vibrant color, you won't find that option just by tapping the standard edit button. But here's the cool part. If you swipe over the picture, you'll unlock some extra features that are just waiting to be explored. One of these features is a fantastic colorize option that uses AI to instantly add colors to your black and white images. How cool is that? It's like having a mini art studio right in your pocket. But that's not all. When you swipe, you'll discover that you get a tailored set of tools based on what the photo actually needs. Along with the colorize feature, you can access options like background blur to really make your subject pop, or the remaster feature to enhance the overall quality of your images. It's super handy, especially when you want to impress your friends with some eye-catching photos on social media. Now let's shift gears and chat about video recording, because let's face it, who doesn't love capturing those memorable moments? Nowadays, smartphones are capable of recording in amazing 4K and even 8K resolutions. It's pretty incredible, but here's the thing. When you want to share those high-res videos on platforms like WhatsApp or Instagram, it can sometimes feel like a bit of a hassle. Many folks end up downloading third-party apps just to downscale their videos for easier sharing. But guess what? Your Samsung device has a built-in tool that can handle this for you, saving you the trouble of downloading extra apps. Here's how it works. Simply pick any video from your gallery, tap Edit, and then hit the three-dot menu. From there, you'll see an option for size and format. This is where the magic happens. You can easily convert a 4K video down to 1080, or even all the way down to 720, depending on what you need. You can even change the video codec if you want to customize it further. It's super convenient, and it means you can share your awesome videos without any hassle. Next up, let's get into a really cool camera trick that you might not know about. If you hop into your camera app and switch to the video tab, you'll see options for shooting in 4K at either 30 or 60 frames per second. But wait, if you click on More and dive into the Pro Video section, you'll unlock even more options. You can shoot in 4K at 24, 30, 60, or even 120 frames per second. This is a total game changer, especially if you're into capturing epic slow-motion footage. It gives you so much flexibility and creative control over your videos. If you're a content creator or just love making memories, definitely experiment with these settings and see what works best for you. And finally, I've got a little bonus tip for you that can help save your phone's battery life. Because let's be honest, we all need a little extra juice sometimes. Normally, when we want to close apps running in the background, we just go to the Recent Apps menu and swipe them away one by one. But here's the kicker. That method doesn't really save battery and can actually use more resources when you reopen those apps. Instead, check out the Active in Background option. This will show you which apps are actually using battery while running in the background. Just tap on it, and you'll get a list of those apps. If you spot something that doesn't need to be running, you can simply click Stop, and voila. You've just saved some battery life and freed up some resources. So, that wraps up our video for today. These hidden settings are super useful and definitely worth checking out on your Samsung device. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome Samsung tips and updates. I'm really looking forward to sharing more content with you all, so stay tuned. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care and happy exploring.